Asparagus, favorite veggie. Another way to trim your asparagus is by snapping them. If you're doing massive quantities of this, the act of peeling them might take a lot of time. Another thing I teach my students here at Nash is take your batch of asparagus and just hold it in front of you and proceed to snap it. Whatever your asparagus will snap, that is my point of where I'm gonna cut, meaning from up here, it's gonna be nice and tender. So I'm gonna take all my asparagus that I need to trim, and so they come all the same size, I'm gonna gently tap them against the board this way. I'm gonna put it next to my asparagus. I know exactly where I have to cut. And I'm gonna run them down there, and my asparagus is ready. So the better tender part is ready to go. Of course, wash your produce before you use it. With your trimmings, some chefs will throw it all away. There is nothing wrong on doing an asparagus cream or an asparagus soup with whatever is left over, but this is ready to be grilled, saute, steam, whatever you need to do with them.